Hi guys, it's Baby D. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon pound cake. This is a beautiful cake with a golden brown crust. On the inside is a rich, buttery and super moist cake with a sharp hint of lemon and lime flavors. This cake is absolutely divine, and what I love about it is the sharpness of the lemon. It's so noticeable and delicious. I love it. So without much ado, let me introduce you to the ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to be needing some cake flour, which you can substitute for all-purpose flour. You're going to be needing some large eggs, some lemon and lime zest, some vanilla essence for flavoring, and you're going to be needing some sea salt. Skip this if you use salted butter, some baking powder, some granulated white sugar, some whole milk, and room temperature softened butter, just like so. Start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and you're gonna need 2 bowls. In the first bowl, I'm going to be mixing my dry ingredients, and in the second bowl, I'm going to be mixing all the wet ingredients, and then I'm going to slowly incorporate both into one. So without much ado, let's get started.